Hey there, smoothie lovers! In today's video, we're going to share some tips for making delicious smoothies in under a minute. Tip number 1. Keep it simple. Choose a few of your favorite fruits, such as bananas, strawberries, and blueberries, and blend them with a liquid base, such as almond milk or yogurt. Keep it simple and let the natural flavors shine through. Tip number 2. Freeze your fruits. Freeze your fruits ahead of time, such as bananas or berries, to create a thicker and creamier texture. This also eliminates the need for ice, which can water down the flavor. Tip number 3. Add a boost. Add a boost of nutrition to your smoothie by incorporating ingredients like chia seeds, spinach, or protein powder. This will give your smoothie an extra nutritional kick and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Conclusion: and that's it. By following these simple tips, you can make delicious smoothies in under a minute. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.